Hey y'all, I'm with Slime City. They gave me some slime. I'm so excited. Are y'all excited for tomorrow? Yeah. Oh my god. It's lit. What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to the vlog channel. Today is what, Saturday the 12th, and it is the slime bash. We're here in Connecticut right now in the hotel, and we just ordered room service. Everybody's getting dressed right now and getting ready for the event.
These are your mom's. This is your mom's plate.
That looks good. Yum. Yum. Y'all, we're here at the slime bash right now. It is so crazy. I'm meeting all of you all here. Say hi. Hey, on the vlog. It's been so wild. Like literally since it started, we were just like selling and selling. We're almost sold out. It's ridiculous. It's been so much fun though. Exactly, you can't have too much.
Alright, let's do a round of applause for Chill Slime and JosephAnthonii.
Hey y'all, we out here working. Say hi. Hey y'all. This is so crazy, y'all. It's barely 12 o'clock, but I feel like we've been here all day. But I am having a blast meeting you all. It's crazy. Look at Rainbow Playmaker over there, outdoing us. Y'all, Chanel is completely sold out. This is what we have left. Come and get your slime. Slime glitters come through with grape soda pop. Queen. Queen of thick, queen of crunch, queen of everything, yo.
Oh my god,
it's super
so
thick.
Nice. I love this. I love the crunchiness.
So me and Trina took a break from our booths and we're making slime. Hey girl. And we're gonna try Maddie's clay for the first time, so we're excited. Okay, so if you haven't had Maddie's clay yet, this is what it looks like. It does feel like Model Magic, right?
Yeah, it feels like Model Magic.
But apparently it's gonna feel like Daiso. I mean, it's soft. It's like a soft Model Magic, like when you add lotion to it. So let's see how it looks in the slime. Walking over to Trina's table right now. Say hi to the vlog. Hi. Say hi, Mama Trill.
I love everything.
Yes, we're gonna go eat because I'm over it already. Yes. And we also have Rainbow Playmaker in the house. Say hey. Hey, making some slime down there. We're over it. I mean, it was fun and all, but I'm tired. Alright, so we are pretty much sold out of almost everything. We have just a couple of slimes left, so we're actually gonna go through Slimer Alley, which is the other part of the event where more people are selling some slimes. So we're just gonna give away what we have left because I'm tired. I'm trying to go to sleep, trying to eat some food, so let's go do this. I wanted to go to the Slimer Alley, but we didn't make it, so yeah. I'm so shook right now.
Oh my god.
Yo, that was so crazy. We didn't even make it to the Slimer's Alley. Like, everybody just came up and grabbed slime from everywhere. I am so tired. I just want to eat and sleep. I'm done. Also, these boxes are filled with like gifts and slime that y'all gave me, so thank you so much. I'm doing like a huge slime bash haul on my YouTube channel, so it's gonna be crazy. Thank you. So we're headed back to our hotel room now. Crazy thing is, this like full, I think this full floor is like filled with all the other Slimers. So like your faves are in here somewhere. This was so crazy. I was giving away free slime at the end and I was just mobbed. Y'all, this is all the stuff that I got from you all here at the Slime Bash. I'm so shook. And I have to try to fit this in my suitcase. Goals on goals. Look at how extra she is right now. She literally put everything on the bed for a picture. I mean, I'm not mad at it, but that's just the epitome of extra. All right, we're about to go eat right now at the Rascal Flats restaurant, apparently, because that's a thing. So hopefully it's good. I think we're walking there, right?
Yes.
And I'm not looking forward to that, but I need some food. So we got avocado toast, spinach artichoke dip. What is this?
Macaroni.
Brisket, fries, and macaroni and cheese.
Don't close your eyes, Mom. They're gonna get you. The food's gonna get you.
I got some chicken and waffles. Oh my god. I pretty much ate all of this here, but I have a problem with chicken on the bone, so I'm not dealing with those. But it was really good. Hey y'all, so it is actually a couple days after from the last clip. We're actually back home already. It is Tuesday the 15th, I want to say. And I have my baby back home. Say hi, Alden. I missed him so much, y'all. Oh my god, you have no idea. I've never been this long like separated from him, so it was definitely a challenge, but he's back with me now. He had a great time at daycare, or at camp, I guess you could say. The Slime Bash was so much fun, y'all. I had a blast. It looks like everybody else had a blast that was there, and I'm really happy for that. I am just overwhelmed with all the love that I was shown, that you all showed me, because it was ridiculous. I have so much slime that I had to take back home. I actually had to purchase 2 huge suitcases to fit them all in and ship them back home on the plane with me, so it was crazy. And thankfully, out of all of them, only 2 I think busted, but they're from somebody who sent me multiple slimes, so thankfully for that, because then I wouldn't have slime to review from them, but I have other slimes to review for them, so I'm grateful for that at least, and I was able to salvage one of them, so that's good. I am literally the world's worst vlogger. I think you all know that already. I'm going to actually decide to post this on my main channel, but definitely check out my vlog channel. I have old vlogs on there, and I am going to start vlogging soon, I promise. The link for that is down below, so you can go ahead and check out my vlog channel as well, but like I said, it's gonna be on my main channel. I just wanted to personally come on here and say thank you so much, and I didn't end the vlog, so I was like, this is a perfect time to say thank you and end the vlog at the same time. So thank you if you went. If you didn't go, thank you if you watched any of my live streams or watched any of my videos that I posted. Just thank you for being supportive. Thank you for giving all of us Slimers a platform to actually exist on. And yeah, thank you. I am so excited for Slime Bash 2. It is happening in October. If you're unaware of that, I will create a link down below to the Instagram post that I posted, so you can go ahead and check out the details. It is in Connecticut again in October, and I am excited. Some of my friends that didn't make it to this Slime Bash are actually going to the second Slime Bash, so that is so exciting, because it's gonna be even more crazy. I am so ready. If you enjoyed the vlog, help a brother out and make sure you give it a big slimy thumbs up for me. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!